we did it. Welcome back to me win. Super hype intro means, oh my god, dude. No respect for bro. She's sucking that shit, though. And y'all say Makima better. Okay, all right. Damn, look at the way she grabbing it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try not to be. She's making it difficult. She's kind of feral, you know. November 1st, do not nut challenge. Difficulty level impossible. Meowie! Okay, Meowie better be okay. I have a strong feeling Power's gonna be fine because she feels like a main character. At least not this damn early, right? This looks so fucking good. Sure, and that bitch naked as. And then she got caught by Makima, huh? Look at that dude! Look how good that shit looks, bro. Damn, that POV. Bruh. Because she was born from the blood, so she loves it? Does that mean if somebody's born from like a tomato, a fear of tomato, then they're gonna love tomatoes? Thank God she got a new skincare routine. Her skin looking fire now. I need one of them. I don't have one. They're good! Meowie's okay! Let's go! Meowie's safe! Fucking booby. So real. I mean, cannot blame him. She apologized. Well, now it feels immoral. We always chase the goals and chase the goal. Then we get there, we realize it was never about the goal. God damn! Ew! See what happens? Is Bat not dead? Meowie! Oh, they can't his hand. Okay. I was about to be so damn sad. Bro, what is that hair? What are the nipples? See what happens, fellas? Focus on your goals. It's about the destination. When you get there, you'll be like, damn, now I'm empty. I achieved my goal and now I'm empty. What? Okay, what? Why is squashing like that? Why can't she move? I mean, she should be fine if that's the devil. Ooh. Ooh. We're a little dinky. Oh, we don't have blood. Bro, what? Oh, was she looking for Bat? She was looking for Batty. God damn. I see why. You got that long ass neck, boy. Goddamn. I mean, shit. She got 8 titties there, boy. She got 8. Ew. Dude, the animation. That one got snatched. Holy shit. That's just a skill issue. I cannot lie. It looks so fucking good, dude. It looks so good. Look at them titties. Did I hit him? I ain't even. Ugh. Merely. Bro, don't underestimate the power of the man that wants some damn titties. One arm, no chains. Bro, just start eating that shit. Just eat that shit. I'm gonna eat it. Can he regrow his damn arm? He's got to be able to, right? I know Pochta did not die from the lose his arm and not be able to regrow it back. Dude, there ain't nothing romantic about you. Where are your eyeballs? I would. I ain't gonna deny it. I would. I would. Is it without his chainsaws? He's just kind of a guy. Damn. It ain't about the size of it. Proof right here. Proof right here. It ain't about the size, but how you damn use it. It's about how you use it. The motion. Fuck that shit, bro. They just want some fucking titty. Murderize. That's a word. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Bro kind of sounds psychotic, you know? He on all fours. Holy shit. Motherfucker looking like Itadori for the JK. Ew. Is he using Batty's fucking guts? Ooh. This shit is fucking nasty. God damn, bro, get in the hands. POV or Anderson Silva being paid to throw a match. That's a joke for legal reasons. Okay. Bro is psychotic. The titties are that important to him. The boobs, they're that important to him? Okay. Oh, he in there. Oh, he in there. Oh, I know it ain't. Bro, what is that eyeball, dude? By the hair? Ooh! Bro got penetrated. Power's reaction to that information. Oh! Oh, I thought it was mocking with Haikyu. What bro doing? God damn! The leech devil. Hey, why that wolf kind of sound like mommy? I cannot lie to you. Rip Bozo? Bro just got snatched like that? They look kind of fucking sick, you know. They look sick, you know. They all kind of look like Aki. Denji literally lost his mind. Meowie! I'm very happy Meowie's okay. Was bro's eye like coming out of socket or some shit? Oh, so he can't regrow, but they just attached it. So that dog was a double contract. Fox Devil? Naruto? Oh my god. A bit of my body as food. Damn. Damn. What? Why you doing that? Don't rat. Damn. Damn. Aki kind of scares me, you know. Bro said, "F you, old bitch," threw his ass at the bat. Bro just wants an apple. Bro's just a guy. Let him eat a damn apple, bro. Bro, he looks. Bro's a homie, but he fucking scared. Like, if you don't listen to him, he'll like fucking. Yes. So real. She's so fine, bro. You see her face? I don't think I could hate power. Yeah, I could. Aki a better man than me, bro. I just put myself in that position. I'm like, especially after betraying Denji like that. Because Aki don't know power like that. He didn't see what we just saw in her whole backstory. We saw that. He didn't. She scares me too. That smile. Well, Makima call him out on it. Division 4. Dude, look at her. She looks. Aki looks like he's trying to bullshit his way out and like talk to a professor and be like, I really tried to do my homework, but I just got like really sick. She looks at the professor like not buying the bullshit whatsoever, bruh. She knows. Ew! That scared me. That's so scary. It makes me feel like I'm like in trouble. I feel like I'm in trouble. You can never really say. Why does this shit look so damn good though? Damn, grounding his own coffee beans. Me when I see beans being stirred. Being ground up by a simple device. He's gotta be rich. Oh, he a smoker? The new Jim Black Lung? Bro, why does this look so good? Bro was just doing laundry. It looks so great. That's definitely power, bruh. God damn. Yeah. Put. Is she moving in? Boy, ain't no way, bruh. Oh God, bro. Bro. Nah, she's trying to test him, huh? Dude, these three in the same house? There will never be peace. Does she even eat anything that's not blood? Ew. Bro, with the save? What? Real. What? Bro. Bro, she nasty. So real. Bro, she nasty with it. Bro is never gonna want to touch her boobs ever, bruh. Like, he's just trying to feel it's gonna be like a fucking roach that crawls out from under there. Like fucking Patrick Star's rolls. Shit, devil. He ain't gonna want to. Is he? Are you serious right now? I'm so mixed emotions. She's sitting on the toilet. She's sitting on the toilet that she put shit stains in. 3 squeezes? My. Okay. You could have got. You could have got away with 1. Dude. Denji. Oh, it's an outro. Oh my God, bruh. What the fuck is this outro? Did he touch the boobies or not? She's so fine, bruh. Imagine trying to scrub her like fucking shit stains out the toilet because she doesn't like to flush. Like my brother in Christ, press the button. You're in Japan. They got bidets there. You know she smells like a 7th grade football locker room. Oh, she hitting that shit. Okay. Okay. Bro, I like the 3 of them. All in all, I'm left with mixed signals and I don't know how to feel. We gotta wait until next episode. This episode looked fucking amazing though. I don't know. Their trio is kind of funny. My only complaint is that Chainsaw Man ain't coming out fast enough, bro. They need to release like 1 episode a day for real. And before, you had no respect for the animation studio and the animators and directors. Like, obviously it's a fucking joke, bro. I just like the series a lot, okay?